start spreading the news. I'm leaving today. I wanna be a part of it. New York, New York. These vagabond shoes are longing to stray right through the very heart of it. New York, New York. I want to wake up in a city that doesn't sleep, to find I'm king of the hill, top of the heap. These little town blues are melting away. I'll make a brand new start of it in old New York. 'Cause if I can make it there, I can make it anywhere. It's up to you. New York, New York. Hey, that is just one of the songs we are going to be working at tonight in our Rat Pack series down at String Theory Music, 1291 Northwest Wall. I'm tongue-tied. But we're going to be working on that one, and then one from the master Dean Martin as well tonight. This will give us actually 6 total songs over the last 3 workshops. The workshop is from 7 to 8:30 tonight, and then also next Thursday as well. And we are just going to have a blast tonight. There'll be refreshments, and I hope that you will take the time. The roads are clear. It's still light out at 7 o'clock. To come down and join us, cost of the class is just $15. And for an hour and a half, and we'll have handouts, and we'll play and have a little community going on. Please come down and join us. New York is really cool because you get to play that little intro lick, and that's a little bit different than just playing the chords, which is fun too. So anyway, please join us tonight. 1291 Northwest Wall Street at String Theory Music at 7 o'clock for our Rat Pack, the third in the series. We're going to have so much fun. And hope you stopped and saw Andrew Molina on Tuesday night. What a great workshop. The guy's just an amazing player and a great musician. His CD is just incredible. So glad that I picked it up. If you haven't, you need to. So anyway, I'm looking forward to seeing you tonight. Joshua, if you see this, please come. Dude, you paid for four workshop lessons and haven't come and taken any of them because we had all that snow. Hope you're doing well. Mahalo nui loa. Join us tonight. We're going to have fun, okay? Talk to you later. Mahalo. Bye.